Yo, yo, yo. I'm Dan. He's Frederick.
Yo, let's have an awesome Nerf war. Here's our guns.
Oh yeah, just to let you know, this is part 1 of our journey. In this video clip, we're only going to be showing you our beast mode Nerf guns.
Warning for you children under 7, viewer discretion is advised. There is bruises.
Very bad bruises. By Nerf bullets.
Dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Now here's our guns.
Wait, no, first let me start out with this one. I just got this bad boy today. It's my birthday.
Yeah, sure, birthday. We got 2 guns.
Okay, so this is the one that...
We only got
No, be quiet.
No, I gotta tell the story.
No. This is the one I got for my birthday. 6 barrel high.
It's their birthday. Don't you mean our birthday?
Our birthday. You can't find better shooting.
Yeah, it's got a pretty good gun. It's a great gun actually.
Let's take a look at those insides.
Good. Oh, look at those. It's barrel, obviously. Not a revolver, don't worry, it's not a revolver, it's not dangerous. You can pump it up well. Let's take a look at how you cock it. We just got it, so we don't really know about it that well, but we know about it enough. You're not gonna bring it into battle yet.
It's not ready yet. I'm sorry, guys. It's just not.
We didn't do our editing. We must edit every gun so it doesn't shoot as hard. Because when we had our last Nerf war, I got this bruise. I mean, make it.
But he only cried for 13 minutes. It's a new record, actually. No, oh, whatever.
Because you see. Here, show them the Nerf guns. I'll be right back.
Here, I'll show him the broken. This is Vulcan EBF 25. EBF 25. It's about best quality gun you can find. There is one little mishap. It gets jammed easily, but has pretty nice insides, very high quality insides.
That's me. This is you getting hit.
Move it, kid.
Whoa!
He's okay. He's just a baby.
I'm not a baby.
See that?
Whoa!